Yes, I had a facelift 18 years ago, and that was great, but I was starting to get quite a bit of jowl sagging and just everything relatively drooping in my lower face. And on top of that, I had uneven brows because I had a Mohs surgery for a skin cancer on my left side. So that lifted up the left brow and had left the right brow quite a bit lower, and that bothered me a lot because I saw it in pictures and everything. So we did a unilateral brow lift and the lower facelift.
Yes.
It's been amazing. Dr. Beaty is amazing. The staff is amazing. I guess I'm overusing the word amazing, but I'm very happy with both the experience with all you guys and the actual surgery. I had really zero pain after surgery.